Over the weekend, I was watching this movie and I really loved this Mangalsutra and I thought I should recreate it in my style. I picked some black and gold beads in 2 mm size heart beads. Here, I cut the wire around 16 inches, leaving some extra inches while adding the beads. I passed one heart bead through the wire and then 11 beads alternating black and gold beads. I repeated this pattern for 11 heart beads. Now I am adding 120 beads on each side, alternating black and gold beads. I had my favorite songs playing in the background while finishing to add these beads. I am using a crimp bead and round hoop. I pass the crimp bead and the round hoop through the wire. Later, I pass the wire again through the crimp bead so that it forms a hoop. Now, using pliers, I press the bead tight to secure the hoop and the wire. Slowly, I cut the extra wire. Similarly, I pass the crimp bead with the hoop and passing the wire back into the crimp bead, pull the wire to check if there is any gap and I press the crimp bead with pliers. I was able to make this Mangalsutra in less than 1 hour and I loved it. Here is the final reveal. Comment and let me know how you liked it.